Welcome back to my channel. I'm Justin Vieira, and today I want to share with you the latest market trends as we transition from the summer market into the fall market. The seasonal impact on inventory and pricing changes between summer and fall is generally that we see fewer transactions, and you may tend to see a statistical dip in the average sales price in the Sacramento area. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that because you list your home in the fall or the winter that your home will actually sell for a lower price, but it does mean statistically the general area you might see the average price go down. When it comes to negotiating strategies in the fall versus the winter, there's really not a big departure. Ultimately, all real estate is very micro. And so if you're a seller, you really just want to understand your home value, the property type that you're trying to sell, who we think the likely buyer would be. And based on those metrics, does it make sense to price the home a little bit low and try to create a bidding war? Or does it make sense to price it at market value because we expect maybe just one or two offers? And of course, we never really want to price high because that's always a bad strategy in any part of the calendar year. The most impactful trend that you will likely notice, whether a buyer or a seller, is that inventory is going to come down even further than where it already is. And so if you're a seller, you can use that to your advantage because when inventory is low, that means buyers have fewer options. And if you're a buyer in the market, what you want to do is, maybe if you're not ready to write an offer on a home just yet, maybe at least start getting active with, visiting open houses, connecting with your agent and your lender to get really prepared so that when you are really ready to make a move, you really have a sort of an early education on what it is you want and where you want it, as opposed to kind of waiting until you're really ready and losing a little bit of time, because you likely won't see a lot of homes in your price range or given neighborhood. And so you might want to start looking a little bit early just in case you find something that you really love and you can't live without. Or you're just going to have to commit to a longer shop window because there's going to be fewer options through the fall and the winter. The most powerful trend that we will see in the market as we transition to the fall and then even the winter is that we will see inventory come down even further. This is predominantly because Sacramento as a whole is a traditional cyclical market and sort of a school calendar-based market, right? So especially in the higher price points, some of the more desirable neighborhoods with the best schools, you're going to see less turnover in those areas because homeowners in those areas are going to prefer not to move when their kids are in school. And so if you're a buyer trying to get into those neighborhoods, you want to start your search early and you want to be more patient, right? And if you do have to sell for some reason, you should have the confidence that there is likely not a lot of competition for your against other listings, and that you should have a very focused market from the buyer side to be able to successfully sell your home, assuming you do all the right things. So whether you're looking to buy or sell a home in the fall and winter this year, it's important that you connect with an agent that has their finger on the pulse of the market trends as we switch seasons. I'm Justin Vieira with the Vierra Group. If there's any questions I can answer about your real estate journey, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. So any would-be sellers should have the confidence that they're likely competing against fewer listings in the fall and the winter. And for buyers in the market, it's important to start early and probably have a longer time frame for finding a home that you really like, and maybe even expanding your search into secondary and third neighborhoods so that you can find something that's an ideal fit for you. I'm Justin Vieira with the Vierra Group. If you have any questions about your real estate journey, feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.